Walking uphill against the wind in the stormy weather, the summit may seem a mirage. Windy and complex it is, facing the obstacles, making a virtue of a necessity. Difficult to understand, difficult to travel, difficult to maintain in the correct spirit. Radiating it with positivity, making that past that began and that was lost remain a beginning. Only one thought in our mind, enlightenment.
An important key for the enlightened is the self-healing, a method to prevent evils and clear the mind from bad energies. Life presents to us with enemies of all caliber and different origin, beyond microbes of many sort of. There is what we can't see, and that in order to see it, we need a deeper view into the matter to bring out evils that harass us and threaten our health. These enemies are part of the energy branch, and the view for the enlightened is called third eye. Rather uncomfortable circumstance put us in the condition of warning, and at the same time outstanding, place us a step forward to the resolution of the question, health. But it even goes forward in meditation. For now, two matters are the reason of our investigation. Teletrons and entitytrons, respectively located in our body and outside our body, making us seek and drawing energy from us. They are not always easily destructive, but this is due to the fact that they reside precisely because they have found the right environment in which to grow, which makes more difficult their destruction unless conditions change. Myths and legends from our ancestors for which we have found a meaning. It is very possible teletrons have a very ancient origins of the time of the most ancient populations, energies coming from the darkest meanings of human history. This is the sensation we had at their vision. They are of different shapes and colors. They are surrounded by an alternating sphere. This is because pain in the energy branch is symbolized by it, which is good and bad that are bonded. And in the same way, pain is like death, pleasure and evil. We explain their existence just like we explain the existence of the bacteria, but also images seen by sight or through brain vision, created by humans are included as teletrons, as they are a reason for getting affected by them. This is the case where the tremendous side of impressive images, teletrons reaches us through energies that contains a whole series of information. What happens is that by similarity of the image reproduced in our brain, a teletron is attracted. As an example, let's take into question an unperforated sponge that at its size brings us impression. Here is that this object particularly irradiated by the moment that comes at our side, in our vision, some of its energies might reach us. When stimulated, for example, by the word impressive, the sponge will expand the good and positive energies that were imprinted. When we call for the impressive look it has, the sponge will free the positive thoughts it had and slowly breaking electrons, alternating spheres, energies that we need to find the stability reaches our brain. We are trapped because our brain predisposes the conditions for that information to reach our brain. One hypothesis to this event of why those energies find stability in our brain is that conditions for those energies are present in our brain for similarity, and therefore they come together by an attractive force. In this case, that attractive force is strengthened by the similarity of the two images, and we stress it, where a sponge we're producing in our vision is similar enough to attract a teletron similar to that shape reproduced. Another reason is that qualities of that teletron are present in our brain, and so it's settled. It is the case where the illness develop in relation to the physical and chemical structure of an organism before the arrival of the teletron, which follows. Teletrons therefore that reach our brain, if they find favorable conditions, they affect us, otherwise they explode immediately. Another energetic event that occurs in nature is energetic contamination by completion. The characteristic that letter A lacks are gathered by B to become a certain product, such as an element less cold than another will attract that type of characteristic to become colder. The problem or the advantage is that by attracting energy molecules that contain older substances, constituting the composition of them, they might change the structure of the matter and develop conditions for the arrival of teletrons. Thanks to the third eye, during the meditative focus, we've been able to see and cure countless ailments, including polygenerating the throat due to the speech, bacteria of all kinds, including for cat lovers, bacteria from them, seeing is believing, fungus that had formed in the brain, white in color, similar to a dandelion, deriving from an inert mold, containing a larva that had formed in the brain, minor brain injuries, depression, and a whole branch that concerns it, flu and viruses. Everything is specified, curing support to medicine, which we constantly refer to. Knowing teletrons, it is fundamental for the future of mankind in terms of health, thus increasing our ability to destroy teletron viruses, as we can drastically reduce or cure the disease, not only energetic, but also generic ailments. In this case, not preventing the curse of the disease, but reducing the effects. Entity Tron symbolize the presence of an element, evil but also benevolent in specific cases, outer our body. They are mostly insect-like in shape, more or less large in size, whereas cocoons, energy insects that form in the environment and that sometimes they stick to us. The reason why we often feel energy drains might be related to the fact that they are attached to us, are no physical or mental tiredness, but at the level of mantra.